So if Google Tasks is stuck loading in 2026, yeah, like it just keeps spinning or never opens properly, don't worry. This is usually a browser or sync issue. Let's fix it step by step. First, try a simple refresh. Sometimes Google Tasks just fails to load properly on the first try, and a quick reload fixes it instantly. Next, make sure your internet is stable. A weak or unstable connection can stop Google Tasks from loading completely. Now check you're signed into the correct Google account. If you're on the wrong account, tasks may fail to load or appear empty. Next, clear your browser cache. Corrupted or old files can block Google Tasks from loading properly. Now disable extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools. These can sometimes block parts of Google's interface and stop tasks from loading. If it's still stuck, fully restart your browser or device. This clears temporary glitches that may be blocking the load process. Make sure your browser or Google app is fully updated. Older versions can cause loading issues with Google services. Finally, try opening Google Tasks in incognito mode or on another device. If it works there, the issue is likely your browser settings. And that's it. One of these steps should fix Google Tasks loading issues and get everything working normally again.